Happy New Year. Thank you very much for joining me here once again, Don Crypto, with another business blog video. It's a new year, new strategies of making money. Remember, cryptocurrencies are all bleeding. The market is all in red. But what you have to do is to revise means of maximizing your profits, how to increase on your earnings during this time when the prices are dropping. Here is another opportunity I came across. I think this is going to be a very good opportunity. If you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast, you wouldn't want to miss checking out this platform because it's really amazing.
Hey, Jordan Belfort here, the Wolf of Wall Street. Listen, I have great news. The Business Club is bringing me to the Blockchain Global event in Abu Dhabi on December 15th. And you do not want to miss this. We're going to be talking about all things crypto and blockchain, NFT, what the latest protocols are, what you should watch out for, and what you should actually jump into. So you want to be there on December 15th, Abu Dhabi, and I'll see you in person. Take care.
Guess who was the guest speaker during this event? It was none other than Jordan Belfort. He's an American trader, a motivational speaker, author, and world-famous stockbroker. You can see his real story in Martin Scorsese's movie The Wolf of Wall Street, acted by Ronaldo DiCaprio.
My name is Jordan Belfort. The year I turned 26, I made $49 million, which really pissed me off because it was $3 shy of $1 million a week.
Making a name for ourselves.
My name is Jordan Belfort. The year I turned 26, I made $49 million, which really pissed me off because it was $3 shy of $1 million a week.
Business.Club is a Swiss fintech company headed by Andrew Bogaski and is providing a bunch of services including social media network, cryptocurrency wallet and exchange, payment cards issuing services, and many more. These guys have their own blockchain, they have their token, they have their wallets, they have different payment methods within their platform, and they're hosting cloud services, social media network services, Business.Club live transmission, Business.Club Easy Mall. So those are the products, those are the use cases of Business.Club token. For those who would like to know more about this Business.Club token, stick around. I'll be giving you more info about this amazing project I came across a few days ago. I'll be going big on this because it looks very interesting. If you're interested in applying your bitcoins, stick around. I'll be navigating. It also supports different wallets including Bitcoin, BCT token, Monero, etc. And there's also another way of making money. Remember, if you join Business.Club, you will be getting an extra bonus of $100 for those who are joining Business.Club. Make sure that you check on the link in the description so that you can also grab this $100 that is given out. It is a token created by Business.Club to create the largest community in the world and to create continuous profits by using this coin. The BCT is divisible by 8 decimals and its circulation will be increasing until it reaches 720 million BCT. So it also claims to be having over 42 million sell points by the worldwide, where you'll be able to use your Visa card. This concept, as I said earlier, it is similar to that of Crypto.com. So look at the business plan of this business. Registration from Switzerland. The company originated from Switzerland, and this is their registration. For those who understand to read this, I think you are good to go. Let me, without further ado, let's look at the business plan and see how this really how this really works. I'll briefly take you through the business plan for those who would like to take part in this amazing concept. Introduction, can go through the introduction part. Business.Club is owned and operated by Business.Club AG, which is proudly registered in Switzerland under number CHE 257857080. Business.Club AG has started the process of applying for registration and license of the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority. Remember, it is also registered in Malta, so that is also one of the best things that you should take note of. What is Business.Club? I already explained about Business.Club. You can look at their roadmap. You see what they've been accomplishing since 2018 and how they're doing up to date. You can find this at Business.Club. You find the link in the description for those who would like to look at it. There's a lot of info that you can grab from their website and understand more about this amazing concept and what are they about to do. You can also check it out from their white paper and understand what have they accomplished and what what is really in place. So that is very important before you jump in any business. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy sharing my own opinion depending on how I see these various businesses, and the truth is I'm going all in this one because I feel like, yeah, it's one I should really try out this time round. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, you should check out this PDF for those who are just beginners. It has some information that you can grab if you would like to know more about cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and how everything works. This is the part you've been waiting for. How do we make money out of this amazing concept? Now we have what we call the active wallet profit forecast that was given to us in this PDF. We're going to take this illustration to see how you can make money from your investment in these specific days. For example, remember your investment is automatically locked for 3 months, but after 3 months it's unlocked. You can withdraw it from your account as you wish. But let's look at this. $1,000 invested for 180 days, it will give you a return of $1,771.5, giving you a profit of $771.5, which is a percentage of 77% returns on investment. If you leave it for 360 days, it is going to give you $3,217.62. And then the profit you would have made here is 2,217.62, which goes to a percentage of 222% returns on investment. If you leave it for 540 days, it will give you a return of $5,927.74, and then the profit after moving your initial investment would be $4,927.74, which gives you a percentage of 493% returns on investment. For 720 days, it is 11,013.37 cents, and then will give you a profit of 10,000. That is almost 1,000% in this time. So if you want to also do a 2,500, you can do, it's the same forecast. You can base on invest $5,000 for 180 days. You'll be having a return of 9,275.35 cents, and the total profit you have made is 4,275.32. That is 32 cents, which gives you a percentage of 86% in that period of time. So if you have $100, $120, $150, anything above $100 can make you a profit. And remember, you get a $100 bonus if you jump into this with Business Club. If you verify your KYC, you will receive a bonus of $100 in the back office. KYC is very important here because this is a business that is coming up with a model similar to Crypto.com, giving you cards. Remember, Crypto.com, you are having crypto for a certain period of time so that you can also apply for those cards. Also, this is the same concept applying here. After 6 months of your automatic staking, you'll be able to have your cards. So that's why they need the KYC done. And when you have done that, they'll also give you $100 bonus. So just check it out for those who would like to get it. I'll be leaving a link to the Telegram. I'll be leaving a link for your registration if you'd like to take part in this amazing concept. If you've been invited by someone to watch this video, get back to them, get that registration link and get started, because this is going to be a crazy now this is when it becomes interesting. The commission system of Business Club and active wallets. All you have to do is to introduce other people to Business Club and earn by growing your team. Every user who invites other people to the ecosystem receives a commission fee, and they built a sustainable 7-tier commission system that will pay you. Now let's look at these percentages given out. If you refer someone in business, on level 1 you earn 50% on their daily returns on investment, level 2 25%, level 3 12.5%, level 4 10%, level 5 is 7.5%, level 6 5%, level 7 2.5%. They pay over 100% in your level for those who refer people, so that you can keep earning indirect income, passive income on daily basis. Whenever they get paid, you get a percentage depending on their level. So that is going to be very, very crazy. If people get to understand how this concept works, it's going to be mind-blowing. Thank you very much for joining me here. Thank you very much. I'll be coming up with another episode showing you how you can deposit, how you can withdraw. I'll also be making my own withdrawal. I invested 2 days ago and I'll be making my first withdrawal live, and I'll I'll be sharing the link for you. Thank you very much for joining me, guys. If you're interested in this, just click on the Telegram link and join us. Text me and let me know if you really like and appreciate this concept. Thank you very much. Remember to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and you'll be finding the link to their website in the description so that you can also read more about this and go check out their website. There's a lot of info. You can see their blockchain explorer for those who like to see how their blockchain works. You can see the roadmap. The PDF is in over 17 languages to help you understand how this really works. You can see their transaction every time everything's going on. They have their internal explorer, so you can keep track of what is really going on here. So without further ado, let's come to the end of this. For those who would like to read more, you can go check out these links. These are reputable media houses that wrote about Business.Club years ago, so you can check it out and see how this is really working. I wish you the best. Happy New Year, more earnings, be blessed. See you in my next video. Bye bye.